This is an overview of trackers and how they work in Grain. Trackers are found under Workspace Settings here on the left sidebar under Trackers. And trackers are a way to stay on top of different words or phrases you want to make sure you are aware of that are happening within your meetings. To create a tracker, you come here and click New Tracker, give your tracker a name, select Continue, and then add any keywords. This could be maybe the name of a competitor you know you have. And if you want to add a phrase, just click Show Advanced, Add Phrase, and you can type in whatever you want there. And once those are saved, press Continue, and you can choose what meeting types these trackers are applied to. So Grain will only look at the meeting types you want it to. That could be all of your meetings, or it could be just external or internal meetings. It could also look at specific speakers within your meeting, whether those are all the speakers or external and internal speakers. And then finally, you could apply it to a specific team if you only wanted the tracker to apply to calls that were in your sales team as opposed to other teams. Once you make these selections, select Done, and it will populate here, and you can see a full list of all of the different trackers you have set up. If you ever need to go back and edit a tracker, you can always do that, or you can also delete a tracker too. If you want to see trackers in action, you can come back to the main page, select this List Properties button, make sure Trackers is enabled, and then you will see where trackers show up. And you can see the different instances and how many different trackers showed up within a given meeting. Trackers are a great way to make sure the information you're looking for in your meetings doesn't fall through the cracks.